You don't know, it's your girl Jules, and today I'm back again with another video. Thank you for keep on watching the channel. Thanks for the new subscription. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Remember to hit that notification bell so when time I post a new video, you guys will be notified. Like this video and share it as well. As you can tell from the description, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some symptoms I'm having in my 31 week. I will be sharing with you a little mini all of the stuff I've gotten for the baby and also the sex of the baby. So we just jump in that video now. First off, I'm gonna share with you guys the sex of the baby, because I know a lot of people have been wondering what kind of baby Jules I have now. So I'm not for wait no more, because right here so I'm gonna show you the type of baby I'm having. So we're having a baby girl, guys. I'm finally getting my own daughter. Yay! Yes, guys. So these are some cute little newborn stuff that I have gotten. I'm not get no whole heap of newborn something, because when you know say newborns them tend to grow a lot. So I got these from Gerber Baby. These are newborn. They're so cute and they're cotton material, and I think she's going to love them and be comfortable and cute with her little nice self in a them. I got some monkey suits. Well, not me. God, mommy make sure to sort her out with some nice little monkey suits. We call them monkey suits at Jamaica, but they're called sleepers. So I got some sleepers. Got the little thing here at the front, and then to zip them down. But then in my time with Nathaniel, so it open like this. We just did have the one them where you like a whole heap of button them go down, and those were so annoying. So I'm glad for these. So these are what I just showed you guys are 0 to 3 months, and then you have these 3 to 6 months. These are so cute, and most of the stuff them with baby girl have is just in pink. Pink is our mommy favorite color, and it is so girly and it just make me happy, like the color pink. We also got these 0 to 3 months from Gerber Baby. These are bigger size sleepers. I love the pattern, so I have different patterns and little cute onesies. You can't get enough onesies. Baby tend to make a lot of mess, well, sometime. And this is so cute. This was gifted. I love this so much. The little headband. I can't wait for such a little cute head in this. This is also another cute outfit that she was gifted. And I want to say thank you if you're watching this. I know that you buy baby girl these things. Thank you. I'm so appreciative. We got these Disney baby stuff. These were gifted as well. And a lot of Gerber Baby stuff in different sizes, as I said. And I just love that I can choose different pattern, you know. And these were from Primark. Primark have some nice baby stuff. So if you're looking for somewhere to shop, well, unfortunately you can't buy Primark stuff online, but if you know you have someone overseas, you can tell them about Primark, because you get this stuff reasonable. Like for 100 Bajan dollars, which was 50 US dollars, I got like a big bag of stuff. And they have different pattern. This is how they are, and there's no tag to Unbug Baby, no tag on the inside. Well, they have a tag on the inside, but them not have no tag up here, so at the back to Unbug Baby. So yeah, these are what I've gotten from Primark. So these are all 0 to 3 months. I know this is probably a lot of stuff for a newborn, but anyways, it is better to be prepared than not be prepared. I am so fortunate because back then when I had my son, I didn't have so much stuff. So I'm grateful, and these are from 6 to 9 months. This is a little cute outfit. This is a cute outfit too as well. This is Jessica Simpson. This is our next cute outfit. Look at the leggings with a little frill. And it has a little nice top with a plushy toy and a rag attached to it. These are more onesies. You can't get enough of them, I say. And I got this nice little dress with a little bow at the front, and it has a hat to match it. So these are from 6 to 9 months. Wanna get the drift? May I just sort them out for just throw them in the machine. Like traditionally we would hand wash our baby clothes back in Jamaica, but I decided that this time around I'm gonna sanitize out the machine, which I've done already this morning, and just throw baby girl stuff in there because it's a lot, and I could just do it in one wash, well 2 wash, and save a lot of time. Also, we have gotten some blankets. My mommy made her these. She made Nathaniel some when he was a baby, and he still have them until, well, one today that he's so close to. So oh, this mess up. Well, probably because my niece did I eat something and touch them because she like obsessed with the baby stuff. They feel like, oh, so soft. And I know she's going to be so comfortable with these. So these are blankets. More blankets. More blankets. This from Primark. Oh Lord, it is so soft. Muslin cloth. Well, me never use muslin cloth with my son. These are very thin. Maybe I'm gonna just like fold it like this and do it like that and rest her so and burp her. Yeah. And I got receivers from Gerber Baby and Primark, and some swaddles. These are 2 swaddles. I never used any swaddles before with my son, so that is also something new. So now that I've shown you guys some of what I've gotten for the baby, I'm going to tell you guys what I have been experiencing now that I'm 31 weeks pregnant. So for one, I'm very tired. It's like I'm always out of breath. I'm always hungry, and I can't eat a lot. I have to eat in small portion. I have to be drinking a lot of water and trying not to get hydrated because outside is very hot. Baby girl is going to be coming when it is summertime, and I don't know how we're gonna manage, but we're gonna manage and I eat. And another thing, always I feel I got a bathroom because baby girl is resting, you know, close to my bladder. So like if me sit down for a long period of time and me get up and me like walk a short distance, me want to use the bathroom. Me can't sleep at night time because I don't know, baby girl is always moving up and down, and me just, a lot of stuff just keep on going through my head, like, is she going to be okay? Even though I know that I should put my trust in God, and that, you know, trust in Him and everything will be okay. And next thing, oh God, I've been having a lot of pelvic pain. Like walking is so painful, and if you see me right now I walk, you would have seen like, oh, she look really uncomfortable. So that has been going on, and I hope that as I progress in my pregnancy that I'll continue to have faith in God that I can do it, because sometimes I feel like, oh my God, I can't do it, I can't. But you don't know, we have to do it, because at the end of the day, we just want to see we baby. If you're pregnant right now and you're watching this, I wish you all the best with your pregnancy journey. And we only have 8 more weeks to go. Like 8 more, like somehow we're not gonna reach it to the 8, but you know, based on calculation, we have 8 more weeks to go, and I'm so excited. I can't wait. We can't wait because I'm just uncomfortable. So I'm going to try to catch the sun today, so I'm going to go ahead and start washing the clothes. So guys, like I always say, stay blessed and stay positive. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I hope you guys watched the ads, and I'm going to share down below my baby registry in case you want to give baby anything. You could go ahead and purchase from my registry. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed week. Bye. I'll see you guys next week at 32 weeks. Just keep me on the press, cause girl, just, oh my god, I'm just so tired. Bye guys.